So how to use your Tesco Clubcard app in store. So in this video, I'm just going to touch over the basics of the Tesco Clubcard app, show you how it works, and how you can activate your Clubcard at self-service machines in store. So first things first, of course goes without saying, you're going to need to download the Tesco Clubcard app. So I'll leave a link below for it in the description for both Apple and Android. Then once you've downloaded the app, you're going to want to go ahead and sign in. Then once you've signed in, you should come across a page which looks like this, and you just want to go ahead and authenticate your club card. Then once you've done that, you should get your club card information at the top right here, along with how many points you've got, along with any vouchers or coupons that are attached to your club card. So to go ahead and use it in store, if you select Scan your club card, you'll then get the QR code for your club card, and you can use this QR code to scan at either self-service or regular checkout on your next purchase from Tesco. And if the QR code isn't scanning for some reason, if you select code not scanning, it will then give you the barcode version, which is usually a little bit easier to scan than the QR code. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.